Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to solve the Facebook notifications not working on mobile option. So sometimes they might show you that their notifications are not working on Facebook, like notifications are coming but they're not popping up. So what you can do is to enable the push notification. So to do that, let's head over to the settings option, or you can directly keep tapped on Facebook, tap on the info icon on the top right. And here you will see the notifications option in the privacy section. Head over there and just make sure you turn on or enable the push notification. And you can secondly check for your battery optimization. If it is turned on, then there might be, let's say, go to battery. So if it is in the power saving mode or battery protection mode, then there might be an option of or possibility of not showing the notifications. But if it's turned off, then there might be no possibility. So make sure it is turned off, and yeah, then you can just solve the issue of Facebook notifications not working. Make sure these are turned off and your push notifications are enabled. So yeah, this is how easily you can fix it. Hope this video helped you out, and if it did, let us know via comments. This will help us grow, and like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.